Let's look at this problem. Sometimes the conversion factors are kind of hidden in the words. One of the key words you should look for is the word per. Per implies that that is a conversion factor. For example, 28 miles per gallon is a conversion factor to get you between gallons and miles. We have to watch for abbreviations also. This 55 miles per hour is a conversion factor between time and miles. And here's another one, the price of gasoline per gallon. It's important to look for these because you don't want to start your conversion factor problem with one of those. You want to find the number that is just one number with one unit, just dollars for this one, and put it in your first position in your conversion factor. So the only number we have that is just one number, one unit, is the $20. I'm going to use the units to tell me what numbers to put in next. The unit here is dollars, so I'll start with dollars down here. And then I'll look at my conversion factors and see which one involves dollars. Because this one uses dollars and a relationship to gallons, I can use this one to go from dollars to gallons. So I'll go to gallons next. What's implied here is $3.75 per 1 gallon. So $3.75 per 1 gallon. And notice then my units cancel, my dollars cancel here. On the next step, I'll need to put gallons down here so that it will cancel with this one. And then I'll look at my conversion factors in my problem to see what I should use next. I might want to, it makes it a little easier if I cross out this one. I've used this one. So what other conversion factor involves gallons? Well, this is miles and hours. This one is miles to gallons. So I'm going to use this 28 miles per gallon. So I'm going to go to miles next. And then look where I put the numbers. The 28 goes with the miles because that's the next unit. So I need to make sure the 28 goes up here with the miles. And what is implied is that's 28 miles per 1 gallon. Very good. So on this step, I've gotten the gallons to cancel. I look at my units. I know that I don't want miles for my answer. And I haven't even looked at where I'm going yet. Let's look at where we're going. How long will it take? That implies time. So I'm going to keep on going. Miles cancels. I want miles to cancel. I'm trying to get to time. And if I look at what I have left, I see I used this one. I used this one. What I have left is 55 miles per hour. That will get me from miles to hours. So I can go like this. And then the 55 goes with the miles because that's first in the statement. So 55 miles per 1 hour is what's implied. And then my miles will cancel. And if I plug this into my calculator, I should get 2.7 hours. Now, if you do not get that number, there's a common issue with how you enter these in your calculator. You're going to, I always enter across the top and then across the bottom. You can skip the ones because ones multiplied or with whether you're multiplying or dividing don't do anything. So I would put this in my calculator, 20 times 28 divided by 375 and then divided again by 55. So you hit multiply between everything on the top and then hit divide, your divide button for everything on the bottom. Sometimes people will hit times before this 55 here, and that's not right. Because of the way your calculator works, it has already done these calculations. You're dividing by the 55. If you're getting a very large number, it's probably because of that. So to enter this in my calculator, I would say 20 times 28 divided 375 divided by 55 and then equals, and I should get this number.